Hello, and welcome to this lesson on password storage. Storing your passwords in your browser is convenient and easy. The problem with storing your passwords in your browser is that they can be viewed or stolen. But who wants the burden of remembering passwords? A password manager is a more secure way of storing passwords without having to remember them. A password manager is a browser extension that is added to your browser or could be a program that you install on your computer. Best of all, your information is encrypted. Encryption is the method by which information is converted into secret code. Encryption is an algorithm or a mathematical equation that takes readable data and scrambles it so that it appears to be random. Decryption is the process of taking encrypted data and returning it to a readable format. When setting up your password manager, it requires you to remember a master password as a way of accessing the other passwords that you have saved in your password manager. Another benefit to using a password manager is that it can automatically generate secure, complex passwords that you will not have to remember. All you have to do is remember your master password. The best part about having a password manager is that you can sign in on multiple devices and access your passwords from any device your password manager is installed on. I'm going to be demonstrating how you install a password manager. The one that I'm going to be installing is LastPass. First, we will need to open up a browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Once it loads, I'm going to put in the address bar lastpass.com and then hit enter. Once the page loads, click Get LastPass Free. Before we will be able to download the program, we will need to create an account. We will need to put in an email address and a master password. This would be the only password that you'll need to remember. An easy password to use would be a phrase unique to you. For example, you could use, "My dog and cat have the best relationship," and then capitalize each letter in each word and then add a number somewhere, and this would be sufficient. As you're filling in your password, it is easy to make a mistake or touch a wrong key. You can click the eyeball icon here to verify what you typed. As I'm checking, now both my passwords match. When you finish, click Sign Up. Now that the account is created, I can install LastPass. Click Install. Add to Chrome, and then add extension. Click Turn on Sync. Once the add-on is installed, we will need to click the icon. We will need to sign in with the email address and password we just created, and then log in. Now we have a red icon. That means we are signed in to our LastPass account. I'm going to demonstrate how you would use LastPass. I'm going to demonstrate how you would save a password and also recall that password to log in to a site. First, I'm going to create an account. Once the account is created, LastPass will give a pop-up asking if you would like to save this login information for the current site. To do so, all we would need to do is click Add. Now, the password is saved to LastPass. If we sign out, LastPass will automatically populate your username and password if there is one available for the current site you're on. The number by the LastPass icon indicates how many stored username and passwords are available for the current site. To access the site, all we would need to do is sign in because the username and password is already populated. And that concludes our lesson for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.